Danny, you're strong.
Another project again.
Why?
Because you're strong.
Why am I doing that?
Just smash it on the ground. No, because it's not gonna break it. It's not gonna.
We should do the Dr. Pepper first.
Yeah, Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, we
my
need
hand.
a big piece.
Monica, but don't show our faces.
Why? It's funnier.
Rocket launcher, go.
But people are gonna
Hold on, let
laugh
me go
at
wash
me
my
at
hands,
school if
okay?
they see it.
So they would be like, oh my gosh, you did that cool experiment with the mint and the soda. Oh my god.
They don't want me to black.
Now I'll give you some very low high credit. You know what I want to do? Enter a science fair and do that. Maybe the only time we could pull a prank.
I got a burp.
Oh, you know what we should do? When it's
Wait, just put it in
Wait,
there.
it's melting.
Why would you want to melt?
So they can go in a little bit. Ew, Charles, that's gross.
Hey, shut up.
No, just smash it in there with your thumb.
I can't hold it.
Hold this.
Let me see. Hold this.
I'm sticky. Yeah.
Sticky.
There.
What happened to do this soda?
Okay, hold on. Chago, you're putting
Wait,
in the
you guys-
Dr.
oh,
Pepper
there it
in
is.
that one, Moni. Oh wait, Lenny, you're putting the Diet Coke in that one. Don't drink it.
Come on, put some in the...
Why put it there if there's gonna waste gas?
Dude, what are you doing?
I'm trying to stick it in.
Wait,
What the hell? Are you sweating? Ew.
Hey, stuck in my tooth. Monica, I have a big tooth. My sharp tooth. What do you guys get?
I told her that we were running, your mom. So she asked what we were doing.
Running?
Tell them that we're exercising.
Chow, you exercising? My mom will be out here in minutes.
Okay.
Wait, is there still more in there?
No.
You should have said we were playing tag or something.
Well, whatever.
It's gonna get hard like
Oh, this thing is freaking hard.
You wanna see something stronger? Go to live.
That's
Oh,
what she
damn. That's
That's dumb.
Hey, no, we're gonna end the last experiment because we can't wait for more soda.
Go over there and step on
Hey, wait, I don't know what happens if we
Go
shake it too
step
long.
on it.
Dude, I don't know what happens if it's too long.
Just shake it. Wait, one at a time. Wait, one at a time.
No, dude, let's go do it on the new road. It's longer.
No.
And there.
Smash
No,
it.
wait,
Step on it,
wait.
step on it.
Shake
No,
it more.
wait. Shake it more. So it will make a big explosion.
Step on it.
Wait, Chago, you do yours at the new road.
Oh, okay.
So wait.
So wait, keep on shaking it.
No, because if I shake it too long, it's gonna explode in my hands.
Step on it.
Have you seen people do this? They go in their hands.
Step
Wait.
on it.
Video people.
What if I fail?
Dude, do it. Open it up more. I want
Open it up
Shake
a little
it.
more.
Shake it.
No, step on it. Step on it.
Splat on it again. Oh, really? Oh, let's go to the new road.
Why? It's close.
Helicopter.
Come on, let's just go walking. Woody, come on.
My leg hurts.
And then you're gonna be pedaling.
Yes. Which is
No.
even better.
No, they're piggybacking right now.
Just come on.
See you guys on the new road.
Hello there.
It just looks like a dot in the camera.
What is that? Helicopters. What the heck?
Are we gonna
They're like all
go?
standing
Yeah,
up
we're
there.
gonna go to the new
It's
road.
almost gonna explode. Watch.
Monica,
Oh,
keep
look, it's getting down.
videotaping Chago.
Keep shaking.
Roll it, roll it.
No.
No, it's gonna explode.
Oh. When it starts to go. Okay, I said keep videotaping Chago. You never know what might happen.
I'm scared to hold it because I've seen people online hold it for a long ass time and explode.
I'm seeing three.
Yeah,
Like
I
the
get
plastic.
to you.
The plastic rips and
I'm
explodes.
seeing three
And
helicopters.
when they're done,
Yeah,
they
it's
show
three
us. They
helicopters.
zoom into their hands, it's all red. That's why I don't want to hold it.
Where's the third one?
They're gonna hurt.
There's one over there.
What are the helicopters even doing? They're like tiny little cameras.
They're watching us do an experiment.
They're like,
I don't want to hold this.
Here.
It explodes and your hands turn red.
Never mind.
I seen people online do it.
Keep shaking it though.
Oh, it's gonna explode in my hand.
And then the gas is gonna go away.
Look. What is soda doing here? 1, 2, 3, look.
You get blood all over me.
Oh, he did.
Oh, this was Diet Coke. Ew.
I don't think that was Coke. Probably was piss.
Ew. It's all over your mouth.
No, I'm kidding.
One little tiny drop and I'm a ball.
She was all wet.
So much.
I just got one.
I thought it was gonna be empty too. Yeah, it's just right here.
I was like, oh,
It's about to explode.
Yeah, dude. We gotta run.
Let's run. Shake it when you're running. Shake it when you're running.
No.
Ready?
Shit, look. Crap.
You wanna go to the other one?
No, let's wait until the next.
Go behind them. Let's just hurry up and explode the bottle.
When it exploded from the bottom.
Ew.
Oh. Hurry up.
okay, that thing is cool right now.
Dude! No, wait. Shoot.
Step.
Hallelujah.
All right, let's run. Quickly.
Oh?
I know not. I'm just me.
That was fun.
Why this way?
Fun.